Okay, so here's some past exam questions dealing with moving means. So this is from the 2017 Northern Hemisphere Exam 1. We've got our sales figures for 4 years, 2013 to 2016. That's all in our quarters. So quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 for each of the 4 years. The 4 mean smooth sales with centering for quarter 3 in 2015 in millions of dollars was. Okay, so 4 mean. So 4 mean, that means that's that 2-step process because 4 is an even number. So we've got to get 4 bits of data each time, and then we mean those and then mean the results together. So it's centered around quarter 3 in 2015. So the first lot of 4 bits of data I'm going to get is for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 in 2015. That will then make that centered. The middle is between quarter 2 and quarter 3 in 2015. Okay, so let's go to our CAS calculator. So 9.6 plus 14.5 plus 8.6 plus 5.3 equals, divided by 4. So that's 9.5. So that's 9.5. Okay. So then, I want to get the next lot of 4, which I want centered around here. So to do that, I need to get the data from quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 in 2015 and quarter 1 in 2016. So that will be centered between quarter 3 and quarter 4. So let's pop those in. So that's 14.5 plus 8.6 plus 5.3 plus 10.3 divided by 4. So that's 9.675. So what we do now is we get those 2 values and we find the mean of those, because then they will be centered around quarter 3. So I'll go back to my CAS and arrow up. Grab that one plus that one. Find the mean, divided by 2, and that's 5.875. So 9.5875. So that is closest to D. Okay, so I've also got here from the 2018 end of year exam, exam 1, question 15. The table below shows the monthly profit in dollars of a new coffee shop for the first 9 months of 2018. So we've got months here and the profits there. Using 4 mean smoothing with centering, the smooth profit for May it's closest to. Okay, so remembering 2-step process, we're going to need to get a figure that's centered between May and April and a figure that's centered between May and June, and it's 4 mean. So so we'll go March, April, May, June for this first lot, and then the second time will be April, May, June, July. Okay, so let's do those calculations. So let's pull that down. Okay, so 2402 plus 2456 plus 4651 plus 3456. That's then divided by 4. Oops. Approximately equal to, make life easier, 3,241, 25 cents. Okay, and the second one is 2456 plus 4651 plus 3456 plus 2823 equals, then divided by 4, this time approximately equal to 3,346 cents. Okay, and now I need to find the mean of those two values. Oops. Mean plus that one divided by 2, so that's 3293.88. 88. So looking at our answers, you'll see it's closest to B, and 80% of the state answered that one correctly. So remember, with a 4 mean smoothing process, or if you've got any even number mean that you're dealing with, it's that 2-step process. You get it. So here with 4 mean, I had it, the first lot centering between April and May, the second one centering between May and June, and then I used those two figures, mean them together or average them to get, that's our figure for May, and then we just found which one was closest to it.